Hello, guys, and Happy New Year. I'm about to show you how I got a beautiful trade idea, one of the first trades for the year 2025. All right, so I'm just going to show you. I usually start on the monthly. It's a new month, it's a new year, and this is GBPJPY, and I've already marked the high and the low, and the market is going up within this range. Okay, but if you clearly see, there seems to be like an order block, or what you would call um, uh, a supply zone, whatever you want to call it. There's a big order block here, and it looks like the market reacted to that point. If you look closely, the market reacted to that point and dropped, but was not able to break structure to show change of direction. So we are still bullish on this baby unless there's a break of structure. So we'll just go straight to the weekly, and then we'll come closer to the market to see what I'm talking about. Now, if you look here, you can clearly see, oh, the market has just been giving us a slight push to the upside, but has not broken that high yet. Okay. And she's been giving us a nice trend line. Okay. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, all the way to the top. Okay. Came back, touched the trend line, and is giving us another higher high and higher low. So let's come down to the daily time frame so we can see what we're dealing with. So we are concentrating on this side of the market. As we have seen, she's been giving us a higher high and higher low. Came back, touch, so we're expecting the market to go a bit higher. All right. I'm just going to drop down to the 4 hour to show you how we got in on this trade. Okay. So that was the last break of structure before this high. Okay. That was the last break of structure before this high. I'm just going to label it right now so we can clearly see. All right. The last break of structure before this high. Now, after that break of structure, she gave us a new high. I'm expecting, if you know my strategy, I'm a Quasimodo level trader. Okay. Been doing that for the past 4 years right now. I can clearly see my left shoulder. I see my head, and my entry is always the right shoulder. Of course, after the sweep of liquidity right here. Okay. That was a beautiful sweep of liquidity right there. So after the sweep of liquidity right there, that was how I was able to get this my entry. If I'm going to use the heads and shoulder right there you go. That's your head, and this is my right shoulder for entry. All right. I'm expecting this head to be protected. Hence, my stop loss would be right below the head. Okay. And that was how we got this beautiful entry on GJ. Now, to top it up, all right, to top it up, there is even confirmation on the lower time frame. I usually use for 4 hour, I usually use the 15 minutes to see if that idea is on point. And now look again, I have seen another, all right, and voila, that's my entry, okay, to the upside. Now here, because it's a confirmation entry, I don't need any extra confirmation anymore. So once I see a change of character from my entry, I'm going in on the next pullback. However, I already got in on this trade from the 4 hour, but for those that were scared, this is an opportunity for confirmation on the lower time frame. Okay. And we call this on our Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel via the link on my bio. And I can't wait to work 2025 with you all. Mwah. Hope you learned something today. Have a lovely day.